I heard him say everything will be okay soon as you're okay with everything. I'm praying every morning, my Lord, I can seem to shake this life of sin. I had to learn to accept tomorrow, no matter what it brings. The mud and the rain, yeah, through it all I receive. If I didn't do all I did, can't say I'd be here. Though it felt like a tragedy, having to face all my fears. Used to envy my peers, the leisure lives that they live. Used to hold back my tears, knowing that one day I'll be here. I persevere through all the pain, yeah, I'm still here. I persevere through all the pain, yeah, I'm still here. Light knows nothing of darkness, of whatever's taking its place in its absence. Mind still keeping me captive. It's kinda hard maintaining the silence. Smoke screen filled, I've been hiding. Good thing I handle my relations in private. I ain't a man of faith, but a man of knowledge. I'm away of planning, so I already know what is coming. Yet I don't like to argue. I already know what is coming. I stay posted, I'm still out here. Whenever you feel like throwing the towel in, I don't like to argue. I already know what is coming, yeah. I've been through it, ain't gotta prove it. Through the pearly golden gate, I've been granted access. Everything will be okay soon as you're okay with everything. I'm praying every morning, my Lord, I can seem to shake this life of sin. I had to learn to accept tomorrow, no matter what it brings. The mud and the rain, through it all I receive. I persevere